are turning black.
What about the fish?
This is happening all over the
Please,
island.
please, settle down.
What are you going to do?
We will dig new fields. We will find a way.
We can stop the darkness. Silver Island. There is a cave of boats. Huge can use. We can take them by Maui. Make him restore the heart. We were voyagers. We can voyage again. You told me help our people. This is how we help our people. Dad, what are you doing?
I should have burned those boats a long time ago.
No, don't. We have to find Maui. We have to restore the heart.
There is no heart. This is just a rock.
No. Maui. Maui, demigod of wind and sea. I am moana of Motunui. You've boarded my boat. No, you will board my boat. Yeah, I, moana of Motunui. You will...
Boat! A boat! The gods have given me a man!
Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea. I am moana.
Sorry.
What?
It's actually Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea, hero of men. I interrupted from the top. Hero of men. Go.
I am moana.
Sorry. And women. Men and women. Both. All. Not a guy-girl thing. Maui is the hero to all. You're doing great.
What? No, I'm here to...
Of course. Yes. Maui always has time for his fans. When you use a bird to write with, it's called tweeting. I know, not every day you get a chance to meet your hero.
You're not my hero, and I'm not here to cancel my ore. I'm here because you steal the heart of Tafiti, and you will board my boat and sail across the sea and put it back.
Yeah. It almost sounded like you don't like me, which is impossible because I got stuck here for 1,000 years trying to get the heart as a gift for you mortals so you could have the power to create life itself.
Are you okay? Maui.
I told you to turn back.
I thought that we make it.
We?
I thought that I could make it. We can fix it.
It was made by the gods. You can't fix it.
Next time we will be more careful. Tika was stuck on the Barrow Island. It's lava, it can go in water. We can find a way around.
I'm not going back.
You still have to restore the heart.
My hook is cracked. One more hit, and it's over.
Maui, you have to restore the heart.
Without my hook, I am nothing.
That is not true.
Without my hook, I am nothing!
We are only here because you stole the heart in the first place.
Now, we're here because the ocean told you you're special and you believed it.
I am moana of Motunui. You will pour in my boat.
Goodbye, Moana.
Sail across the sea.
I'm not killing myself so you could prove
And
you're something
restore
you're
the
not.
heart of the Fiji. The ocean chose me.
It chose wrong.